Do you find yourself in TikTok jail often? Let me give you a few tips about how to stay out of TikTok jail and get back in those civilian streets. You can only follow 30 people per hour, 200 people per day. I only try and follow 29 people at a time because it never fails. While I'm following, someone always follows me. And then I forget and I follow them back. So then I'm at 30 people. I met my quota. So that way you can just stay safe and don't go over your quota. If you do go over your quota, they stop you from following. Then you can't follow back until the next day. And when following, only follow people with real names. Don't follow usernames. Those are bots. Don't follow bots or someone with no picture at all. Because when you reach 10,000 followers, they're going to tell you you have too many fake followers. So go on your followers list and remove those bots. So we're going to open TikTok, find our followers, scroll down. Do you see the username with no face? That's a bot and needs to be removed ASAP. I know we all want to get our coins and get to the bag. Just follow these tips and I promise you, you'll get there sooner. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.